to take you through the assembly of the steady hand game. First of all, get all your components ready, and let's put the little bit of plastic straw onto the course and also the skewer. So the little bit of plastic wire acts as an insulator and stops the circuit from being created. I've made a little list here, so the white lead will connect to the wand and also to pin number 1 on the microbit. Now the course is the red wire, so that's going to connect over here, and that is going to connect to the ground pin. So we can test that now and see if it's going to work. Yep, that works. That's good. Now I've got some headphones here, and I've got the yellow to the headphones, which is going to connect to the 0 pin, and then off to the headphones. And finally the black is going to connect to the ground pin and to the other point on the headphones. So let's see if that's going to work. So when I touch the course, yeah, that's good. And you'll notice down here, that stops it from activating. So let's try to get our way through. You'll notice you can give it a little tap and sometimes it won't activate. It has to be a fairly good hit. Okay, that's the assembly of the steady hand game.